many people always look for service to be handled by themselves. Example, digital marketing services. Many people are trying to do by themselves because they can do it easily. Entering to Facebook or Google, they can create an advertisement and they can boost it or post it. So considering this way, there are many people are investing more number of amount, understanding that they can do themselves. It is not actually true. You need to have an expertise in every tools. Whatever the tool you wanted to use, whatever it is, the tools you wanted to use it, you need to have an expertise. Else you cannot really operate it well for the optimum level. Say for example, what exactly the digital marketing expert can do. Assume I'm a layman, I don't know anything about the Facebook. What I'll do, I'll just go and post one video or image. Immediately I can see something called boost. I'll boost it, automatically it will take you to the advertisement and I'll use my credit card, debit card or whatever the stuffs, whatever the financial credentials I wanted to use it, and I'll publish advertisement. End of the day, I'll be not happy because I'll post 500 rupees for 5 days, it will be 100 rupees per day. And the geographically target or audience research, I'll not be able to do it. What expert will do? Which ordinary person cannot do? Let me tell you one by one. Assuming Facebook. If you want to use a Facebook as your promotional tool, there are around 8 varieties of advertisements available. Generally, all these 8 advertisements will not be useful for many. If you are concentrating on promotional activity for the business, or if you are concentrating to generate a lead for your business, or you want a website to be converted, or you want looking for something called branding, these are all the things which will come to the criteria. When you look at it, say assume you want to have a website need to be promoted, you need to use it for the conversion tool. You want to have a offer, you wanted to generate a lead, and after that you need to convert that lead into the business, that then you need to use lead campaign. So this will not be available with the normal people. You need to go particularly select the lead conversion, and you need to do the pixel, and you need to do funnels, and you exclusively, there will be more than half a day to 1 day research required for an audience. If you are not doing audience research, I don't think so you can able to do the proper reach to the people, and you need to budget it well. It is not that you just need to release on advertisement and carry on. No, every advertisement, at least if you run a campaign, you need to have 2 to 3 advertisement in each ad set. Oh, I went to ad set. Ad set, create an ad set and under the campaign and create a 2-3 ad set. Under 2-3 ad set, every ad set you need to have at least 2-3 advertisements. So of course yes, Facebook works better and the best with the video advertisement, not with an image. Image it works, I am not telling that it will not work, but video will give you the best result which you can really expect it. So creating a video, again, it is a task for you. It is not easy to create a video. Video creation, again, you need to have a lot of prerequisite. It is not that just go take a mobile and create a video. You can create a video with a mobile again, but you need to have a confidence, you need to have a content, you need to have a sales pitch over there, and you need to convince the people on your at least 2 to 3 minutes of video. Then the people can come to you and they may fill the form inside the Facebook. They can generate a lead for you, or they may come to your website and showing you the using the pixel. You can also manage what is the benefit of coming to the website and having a, many people doesn't know, having a form inside the Facebook. So like this, there are many things which you require to learn more than 100 days. But it can be taught in a day or 2, but you need to practice it well. Practice makes man perfect. You need to practice it, whatever you learned. Say I can learn today, but on the go, I can practice, I can become a mastery in whatever I am doing. So same thing applicable in the campaign management of either Facebook or the Google. Say for example, if you take yourself into Google advertisement program. Google advertisement program, again, search is there, network websites is there, display is there, video is there. Many things comes. Again, campaign comes. Their advertisement comes. Advertisement will not all the time approved. It will be disapproved. Even the Facebook, especially Facebook, if you advertise an image advertisement, image should be 90%, 10% only the content. If you have more content, what will happen? The result will be less. It will not show to all the people. So these are all the things you need to consider into criteria and select expert for your work is concerned. I know many things I can do by myself, but still even I seek for support of the expert. Why? Because we are not used to the regular job. If I am keep doing the job which expert supposed to be done, what is the job who is going to do? The job is supposed to be done. Assume that I am a business person, I need to do my business. Stopping that and doing the campaign business, is that my business? No, not at all. You can hire a person and you can keep it for that job. But you need to concentrate more on doing your job. Then you can able to reach success. Isn't it? Thank you.